Hey everyone, this week I've got a couple of AutoArt race cars. First up, Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. So if you remember, the Huracan is the replacement for the Gallardo. It does share a lot of the platform with the Audi R8. Super Trofeo, I think, is the race series that's specific actually to Lamborghini Huracan and prior to the Gallardo. So it's basically a one-make race series from memory. So they're all basically the same car. This is non-liveried, which I tend to focus on. I've tried to shy away from the liveried cars because I've run out of room in the cabinets, but eventually I'll have more room. So this is AutoArt composite, so it's not a die-cast body. The only thing that opens is the doors. That does not appear to be open mesh in the grille from what I can see. You know, we do know that AutoArt has been cheapening out a little bit over the past few years. Good wheels and tires, metal brake discs. I like the metal wing support. It's pretty neat. They really make it look like the rear hatch opens. It does not. We have open mesh partially in the rear around the exhaust. That is open. You can kind of make that out in the camera. I think the upper mesh is closed. There won't be much to see underneath, just aerodynamic trays. Interior, what you can make out is pretty good. This probably retailed, I think, for like $159-ish. I did get it at CK during some sales. It's probably still on sale there for like $50 US at that price. I'm not mad at it. $160, I think. Detail's a little lacking. The two have identical packages, which is the red and black enclosed box of racing composites. Really nothing to look at there. Next up we have the AutoArt Corvette C7R. C7 is the platform code for the Corvette, the 7th generation. It's the last one before we move to the C8, which is mid-engine or rear engine, depending on your take on that. Again, only the doors open. This would be a naturally aspirated V8, probably 427 cubes, depending on the race series itself. Not sure about. Again, pretty good detail. We do have open mesh in the front in this one. Interior detail, from what you can make out, is decent. The seatbelts aren't as convincing as they used to be. They used to be made from like fabric and just more convincing plastics than this. Overall, again, really nice model. It was offered to me locally at a fair price. Substantially less than the kind of $199-ish that they seem to be going for on eBay. So, again, happy with it. Nothing to see here. I don't know if a previous owner added this Velcro strip, but I don't think it came from the factory like that. What can you do? Again, same boring racing box. There was the Lamborghini. Here was the Corvette. This one apparently is from Lime Rock 2016. As you can read. Yeah, so that's it. You know, it's rare that I get race cars in my collection. Like I said, space has become an issue, so something a little different this week. So that's it for this week. Everyone please like and subscribe, and have a good one.